Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix the problem of comments or your comments deleted on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Facebook app. Here we go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.